Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. Today I'll be checking out the first product that has ever been sent to me for an unbiased review, an inexpensive soap foam gun. Thanks for sending it to me, Jane. Some of you know that I'm currently using a Chemical Guys foam gun, which has proven itself over the years. However, it's much more expensive. It costs $60, whereas this one only $18, more than 3 times cheaper. Let's see how it holds up. First of all, I'll be only using whatever was sent to me in a package, plus the car shampoo. I won't be using the 2-bucket method, as this is not the purpose of the video. There are various modes you can switch your nozzle to here. You can also control the amount of shampoo versus water usage via a separate switch. The unit comes with a wash mitt, which is soft. It's a typical mitt you would find in your local auto shop. It also comes with a quick connect adapter if that's what you need to use. I can tell you right away that it's plastic, so if you intend to use it for a long time, I suggest you switch it with a metal one. I won't be using it anyway, as I will attach it straight to the hose. Okay, foam in the car. I'm gonna use the thickest setting for the shampoo and see how long this small container lasts. Well, here's a first advantage. The trigger has a lock mechanism, so you can click it and use freely without having to squeeze it the entire time. That's great. Okay, that's it for the soap. Enough to soak the entire car. Let's refill and start washing. Now switching to rinse mode and rinsing. I'm also going to switch to a different nozzle. Let's do the other half. What can I say? At the price of $18, this foam gun is totally worth it. The only downside really is the size of the container. But this contributes to the overall weight of the unit, making it very easy to hold and operate with one hand. So that is also somewhat an advantage. And rinse. All done. I'll leave the link to the product in the description down below. Of course, you don't have to use it for your car only. I'm sure you can find many other applications for it. Thank you for watching. I welcome any other company that wants to send me their products for an unbiased review. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos on this channel. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!